Hi everyone, welcome to Aktifer and Turkish Lessons. My name is Yasin Durak. Today, guys, it's been a while actually since I didn't appear on my YouTube channel. I'm really sorry for this actually, but today I would like to now start off with a lesson that you might be interested in. The main problem for Turkish learners is, I think, order of suffixes in Turkish language. This seems like pretty confusing and unclear. So that's why I will give a few examples actually with most widely spoken tenses in Turkish language. Now, I will not talk much, so I will go on with examples here. Let's see the base form of the verb here in English. As you see here, this is the base form, which is imperative or commands. All right, so in Turkish we say the same way. Just say the verb itself in Turkish. So this is how it works for the comparatives or commands in Turkish. So for come we say gel, gel, gel. So let's see the tenses here. Let's start with the first present simple tense. So, for example, in English you say, I do come. But so here, in Turkish we use the base form of the verb first. Okay, base form of the verb, which is come. After we use the suffix of present simple tense in Turkish, which is ir. Alright, so here, blue one shows this example here. And after you use the person pronoun of the sentence or of the verb itself. Okay, this is the way how it works for all verb functions in Turkish. Not only for verb functions, but also for nouns and for adjectives as well. This is the same way. So here for present continuous tense, I am coming. So here ing form, which is the suffix of present continuous tense in English. So for Turkish we use iyor. Okay, but of course, as I said at the beginning, we use all the time the base form of the verb to make sentences. So gel is the base form of the verb, which is come. Okay, so after ing form, which is iyor in Turkish, iyor, and after suffix of the person, which is person pronoun, I mean, so geliyorum, geliyorum. All right. So this is the present continuous tense. For future tense, I will or I'm going to. I forgot here. I am going to come. So here, base form, as I said, base form of the verb first, all the time use, which is gel here in this example, gel. And after we use the suffix of future tense, which is normally ecek. I will show you here. All right, ecek. But we don't say gelecekim, so we soft this K into soft G. So here it means geleceğim. All right, all the time, this is how it works in Turkish. After we use the suffix of person pronoun, doesn't matter who it is. Of course, what matters here is the person who you will use is important. So that's why the suffix will be shaped up by that. So geleceğim, which means I will come or I'm going to come. So here, past tense in English, as you see here, you should use did. All right. Also, and after that, base form of the verb, which is come here. Of course, you have to use the past form of verbs here in English, but I just want to show you here how we use this. So, base form of the verb here is come, which is in Turkish gel. After past suffix of Turkish language past tense, d, and after person pronoun m. All right, so this is how we use geldim. Okay, so here, past perfect tense. Also, I can write here what I mean here, past perfect tense. So here, I had come. All right, so this is the auxiliary verb or helping verb in English, had. So in Turkish, we use mişti, or you can say only mish or mişti. Depends on the sentence itself. Gelmiştim. Here, am shows the suffix of the person pronoun in the sentence. So what we understand here is very clear. We all the time use the base form, first step, base form. After suffix of the tense, and finally who is doing this action or who's taking this action, that this is the personal pronoun. Of course, this is the suffix of personal pronoun. As I showed you 5 examples here, this is the same for all verb functions. All right. Also, same for adjectives and noun forms. All right. I hope it's been so clear for you, to show you how we use suffixes in Turkish with this few examples. Of course, as I said, this might change. Base form of the verb may change, depends on what you want to say. So let me repeat one more time with you with Turkish examples. Let's repeat together. Repeat it with me if you want to. Gelmiştim. Okay, gelmiştim. Let's get back to other sentences. Geldim. Geldim. This is past tense. And here, future tense. Geleceğim. Geleceğim. Okay, so here, present continuous tense. Geliyorum. So here, present tense, present simple tense, gelirim. As don't forget, these red ones, words in red shows the suffix of tenses itself in Turkish. So guys, I would like to remind you one more thing here. I'm planning to open a Meetup group in real life to practice Turkish with you. If any of you are interested, please complete the form on my website, which is aktiferin.com. So I will write here the website. So I will announce the exact date when we are going to meet on my website. I will announce every detail that you might be interested in for Turkish practice. I will form a group, speaking group, like kind of Meetup or speaking club, you can say it like this, in Istanbul. I will let you know which location it will be, and I hope it's going to be good practice for Turkish learners. If any of you are interested, please don't forget to click this website and complete the form that is necessary. Details, please fill them up and send to me, and I will contact you as soon as possible. And thank you very much for your time and for watching this lesson. Hope to see you next time. Bye for now.